Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today's recipe is Janjaro. Janjaro is a South Sudanese bean stew. I heat some oil and fry the onions until they start browning. Then I add the tomatoes and continue frying. Once softened, I add the beans and a little bit of water. I'm using pre-cooked beans from my previous githeri recipe to cook this dish. I don't like over-seasoned beans, so I add cumin powder, coriander powder, garlic powder, and vegeta. Feel free to adjust the spices and seasoning to your liking. At this point, I also add salt and black pepper to taste. I cook this for 10 minutes on low heat, stirring halfway through to prevent the beans from burning. The aroma in the kitchen is so good and it tastes amazing. If you like this recipe and would love to follow more of my simple recipes, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new recipe. Please like this video, share it, and write a comment down below. Our Janjaro is now ready. This stew can be paired with rice, bread rolls, and chapati. Thanks for watching and bye for now.